Yeah, five points if he's on the strong. Yeah.
Guys, you didn't tell me that we were having playing hide and seek.
Well, you can jump over here, jump back.
I'm stuck with you.
Harry, it's good. Now jump this.
I made
Wait, I see somebody. Is it that dragon on? I'm dead.
That's the boss of the dinosaurs.
You're dead, boss. Sarah, you're dead. Get out.
Now what? We all got counted. Not all of us, just us. Everyone left.
Hey guys, you guys go to the toilet because whoever is captured here needs to go to the toilet. This is the toilet.
What? No, that's my popcorn.
No, that's the toilet. No, I put toilet water here.
Myth is our compass.
Just
Something
like
my mom used to say. She believed our stories about monsters and
No.
giants could
Well,
help
I'm
us
serious.
and restore
We need to hide here. Where are we? Let's see.
This is just dad's.
It runs in the family.
Ay, yeah.
This is my dad's house.
What?
Dragons is a Western concept.
No, they don't see here.
Yes,
What is that?
Harry's going backflip.
And
Oh!
Yeah, I am. He's gonna go.